I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. Here's my husband. Hello. Say hello, my husband. At hindi po maganda ang weather ngayon. Umulan. Paiba-iba ang weather. Hello, good day mga kabayan. Ito na naman tayo naglalakad sa forest. Time now is almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We haven't eaten yet, and then yeah, I'm looking forward for the Bratwurst. So the nature-friendly house, as you can see, a lot of people, a lot of families are coming here during the weekend, and here you can eat the traditional food in Rhineland-Palatinate. Every weekend they come here and just have a walk. Look, they're busy preparing the food. There's the kitchen. And what is good, because you can sit here in this area where you can enjoy your food. And in autumn, this is really a good place where you can collect chestnut. These trees, these are all chestnut trees. Yeah, so that is a nature-friendly house, and they have also here a toilet.
A few moments later,
The vice hair Shirley, and it really tastes good. The food is served, and I have here the Bratwurst with sauerkraut, and for my husband is libak noodle meat sauerkraut. So we have hunger.
1 hour later.
So mga kabayan, katatapos lang po namin kumain. Grabe, ang sarap ng pagkain dito, at ito ang pinaka-favorite place ko para kumain ng Bratwurst with sauerkraut. They have a special Grobe Bratwurst, which is really good. This restaurant is only open during weekend. You see, there are a lot of chairs, banks where you can sit. Over here, a playground for kids. That's why family loves to come here, because the kids can freely play in this playground. They're really a nice place to walk around. You really can feel the fresh air, and yeah, while sitting here eating their lunch or coffee, and the kids can play. So, and yeah, fresh air is always healthy mga kabayan.
Later.
We are on the way, going home, or we should still have to go somewhere else. Field of grapes. Yan, ayan. Hindi, wala pa rin dahon. We have to wait here, right? You know? Wow, nice kabayan. Look at that. Take some shots, because this is two-way, you know? Two-way, yeah, shots. These are the forest of chestnut. Yan. These are all chestnut. Wow, how beautiful it is. The view, kabayan, look. Wow. Ang sarap maglakad dito mga kabayan, at very peaceful. The weather is so good, around 18 degrees. It's not really cold. Wow, really beautiful today. The village of Karlstad. Karlstad is the village of family Trump, where the President Trump came from. That house over there is the house of Trump cousin, and I love this place. We come here most of the time with my husband, and now I told him to stop for a while, and because I want to walk. I have to do it alone with you, kabayan. So come along with me. We have to walk here in this beautiful village of Karlstad. Rhineland-Palatinate is a wine producing region. Especially they produce the best Riesling in the world, kabayan. Riesling is the most favorite here in Rhineland-Palatinate. So these are the almond trees. They are in bloom. Wow, this is really beautiful. Look at that, kabayan, and until there, into the other side of that field. This really is beautiful and familiar house fruit. Sure. So mga kabayan, hanggang dito na lamang po, at I hope na nasiyan po kayo sa inyong nakita ngayong araw dito po sa Rhineland-Palatinate. Ito po ay napakagandang lugar, kaya hindi po nakakasawa maglakad-lakad po rito. So hanggang dito na lang mga kabayan, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta, at hanggang sa muli. At yeah, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell mga kabayan for you to notify for my next upload videos. Thank you so much, and till next time again. Bye mga kabayan. Ingat po tayong lahat.